Welcome to Good Food, recipes you and your guests will love. Today's recipe is cilantro lime chicken salad. All right, we're going to make our Catalina dressing. We're going to add our ketchup. Please see the full recipe in the description down below. Our sugar, our sour cream, our mayonnaise, red wine vinegar, and some of our marinade, which you will see later in the video. Stir this all up. And we'll refrigerate it until we need it. Now we'll make our marinade. So we're going to add some cilantro, and our cumin, garlic, lime juice, chili powder, our onion powder, paprika, salt, some olive oil, and we're going to pulse this until it is all incorporated together. Please comment below and I'll respond to all your comments. If you would like to see a specific recipe, please leave a comment below. We'll add this to our chicken breasts that we have butterflied and placed in a freezer bag. Now remember, we're going to save a tablespoon of this for our dressing that we had made. Seal up the bag. And toss the chicken in the marinade, and that will go in the fridge. Now when you're ready to grill it, we will oil the grill. I've patted off the marinade off the chicken and placing this on the grill. And grilling it for about 6 minutes each side. The internal temperature should be around 165. When it's finished grilling, pull off the heat. And we'll let it sit while we make our salad. So I've used some mixed greens, and then we'll add in some corn, some black beans, some peppers, some tomatoes, we'll toss that all together. we will put our greens and our salad onto a plate. Just making sure to get a lot of the vegetables that we added onto the plate. We'll slice our chicken. And place on top of our salad. Then we'll add our Catalina dressing that we made. And some crushed tortillas if you like, or tortilla strips. And it's ready to serve. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Here are 2 more of my videos you may be interested in. Thanks for watching.